So the other foot. To get to the carburetors, you have to drop the cowling. And when we dropped the cowling, we started finding parts in there. And that was in there. And that's parts of magnet right there. And that right there is a tooth from a starter, which makes me wonder why it has a brand new Arco starter on it. So we can look up inside the flywheel and you can see the magnets are fractured. Got good spark right now, but we're going to go ahead and pop the flywheel off. And that wasn't real tight. And whoever pulls flywheel, if you don't have a flywheel puller, what a lot of people do is take a hammer and beat it off, and that tends to crack the magnets that are underneath. But that's how you pull a flywheel off. And now we're going to see the rest of the story. You get out here in the sun, Steve.
Well, the stator looks rough.
So I'm really surprised that it's firing, because it almost doesn't have enough magnetics to make it. But so that just got to the point it's going to include a new flywheel, and those aren't cheap. And that's where the flywheel's been inside of the, gouged the stator. That's just where we are.